Oh, hello. Ooh, I'm a big baby. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Excuse the fan in the background if you can hear it. We are having AC problems, but if you're new here, hi, hello. My name is Micah, and stay around for a while. I'm pretty funny. I think so myself, but that's besides the point. Um, if you're returning, I love you. How are y'all doing? I hope y'all day is going well. Mine is not. For the simple fact of today is September 25th, 5 days before my birthday. And I just had to say goodbye to my sweet baby girl Precious. Monday morning, or really Sunday night, Monday morning around 3 a.m., I got into a car accident where I almost lost my life. I was on the way home. It was, I don't want to say fully raining, but it was sprinkling to where the roads was wet enough. I was going up ramp. The ramp that I take to go home have two different type of pavement. And so as soon as I hit the second pavement, which is more slick, I hydroplaned and crashed into both side walls of the ramp, fully deploying all my airbags and completely knocking power out of my battery. I couldn't put my hazards on, so if somebody was flying up the ramp, mind you, I have a gray car. My car is already dark. It was the middle of the night. So if somebody was to fly up the ramp, they would have hit me. When I crashed, thankfully, I fully stopped because my car did pop up when I last crashed. And when it did that, it popped up on the left-hand side of the ramp. Thankfully, it did not have enough momentum to fully flip over the ramp, because if it did, I would have lost my life. I thank God for me still being here. I thank God that the only thing that was completely ruined, so to say, was the car and not me. Now, don't get me wrong, I did walk out of it with not major, but really like messed up injuries. My right shoulder, front and back, is killing me. I got a big bruise right here. I got a bruise on my stomach here and a little bit here. My finger, which has not fully, completely went down with swelling, but it still hurts, was fully swollen, and I couldn't bend it or nothing. It caused so much pain when I move it, and it still does, just a little bit. My knee, I got pictures. I'll insert pictures also, but if you're squeamish of blood, please skip this part. But I did cut my knee in multiple places actually, but in two of them they got cut to the white meat. Like I said, I'm thankful that I'm still here, but I really did love that car. Things happen, and I do gotta say I do blame myself for the most part, because recently I kept saying how I wanted an SUV, I wanted an SUV, I wanted to get rid of the car. That's not what I meant by get rid of the car. That's not what I meant. But they do say the power is in the tongue. Watch what you say. So I'm definitely watching what I say from now on. But it is a learning lesson for sure. I never had an accident before. I had minor accidents where I bumped into somebody and that's it. But this right here scarred me, literally. Oh, and I also forgot about my neck. I'll insert a picture because y'all probably can't see it. My baby girl is gone. I finally got the last of my stuff out of her trunk today. And truthfully, when I left, I did not look back because I knew I was gonna cry. Yes, I know, crying for a car, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm very attached to it, and you will be attached to your car too. I'm thankful for her for getting me to places I need to get to. But on to bigger and better things. So let's see where this goes. Because it is time for a change, but I didn't expect it to be this drastic. But on that note, welcome to my car shopping vlog slash maybe getting a car in this video. We'll see how it goes. I gotta go. I gotta go to work.
Oh. Okay. Hey guys, so it is October 3rd. If you're wondering who car I'm in my mother's. I still have not got insurance to fully do what they need to do because I have State Farm. And so coming from my mom, hearing that from all the accidents that she done had, how fast State Farm done, handle her situations and how she was able to get her cars and stuff, I'm just like, okay, so why are they not taking mine serious? Because we did all that we had to do September 26th. I want to say that was a Friday, it says on the website. And that's it. Nobody has done nothing else. And to be honest, my insurance agent, he hasn't really been helping anyway. Truthfully, my insurance agent hasn't really been helping. We had to call back to try to get him, but we ended up getting this black lady, and she was able to help us deal with the tow company that took my car. So I don't know when I'm going to get my car. I'm being patient. I am. I really am. But my patience is wearing thin. Like baby. Oh God. And it's mainly because I have a car that I know I want to get. I done had 2 cars that I know I wanted to get that they got sold. And I'm just so scared that this one is going to go too. And I'm praying to God, I'm praying to God, I'm praying to God, I'm praying to God that it's not going to go. I am going to show y'all clips of cars that I have found. Let me know in the comments what you think I'm going to get. And let's see, hopefully by Monday or tomorrow that I'll be able to get through with the car process. Hey y'all, so update, it's October 8th. Still no car, but it's okay because turns out somebody didn't finish the paperwork and it expired, so they had to send new paperwork through email for me and my mama to sign. I didn't know because the insurance guy didn't tell us that. He said that you and her both have to sign it, but he didn't say that me and her was both gonna get an email. But regardless, we both got the emails done, and so now we're waiting on him, either him or just insurance in total. Sorry, my eye itches. It's itching. I'm Southern. I don't care. Anyway, I have 3 vehicles that I am hoping to look at. And there's one in particular that I really, really, really want. I'll insert pictures right here. It's the first one. They're not in order of, of which one I like the most. Let me put it like that. But the first one is a tw 2020 Hyundai Sonata, I think. Nope, not Sonata. Not Sonata. Y'all see it online. Yeah. How we pronounce that? I love the color of it. It has everything I want. The remote start, the push to start, the sunroof, the Apple CarPlay, you know, basics. It has everything that I want. So this is on the list for what I want and for a good price. The next one I would like to look at is the 2022 Volkswagen Taos. If I'm not... Never mind, it's gone. I knew it. It's gone. It's gone. Well, okay, never mind. That's the one I really wanted. The next one on the list. That's crazy. The next one on the list is a 2021 Kia Sorento. I like how it looks. It has everything that I want. Kias, I know everybody has them. I know some people don't really like them, but you know, I don't mind getting a Kia. Me personally, but that's the one I want to look at. Also, other than that, I don't have nothing else. So back to the drawing board. Oh, hello. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. Today is October the 11th. I'm a little excited because we're going to the dealership today. So we're gonna get dressed. I'm gonna come back, show you my outfit, and then we're gonna go to the dealership. Okay, we went with our basic outfit, black polo that I borrowed from my brother JoJo, and then just some lightly ripped jeans and Walmart shoes, which I love, by the way. And that's our fit. Let's go to the dealership.
Give me a phone number real quick.
817.
Yeah, I know. It's like, that's what I hate about GPS.
The thing is, I didn't say no highway, so it was interesting though to just do that.
And how'd you find this vehicle originally?
Car Gurus.
Car Gurus?
Yeah.
Okay. They just always want to know. And you're not trading anything in, are you? Okay.
Oh, I think I've seen it. I thought you were talking about a real camera.
No, it is real car.
No. I'm thinking that.
The big one?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Thank you.
Oh, this is right here?
This is it right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I ran through it. It was real dusty. Turn signal indicators, speed meters. You got blind spot monitoring. So along with blind spot monitoring, you're also going to have rear cross traffic alert.
Okay.
It's built in with a sensor right here.
Oh, I didn't even pay attention to the gas thing online. I'm glad it's on that side.
It is a third row.
I did not know that, but I don't mind it.
Go down.
Mommy, I like
Yeah, little real things. That's all.
it. Yeah. No, you're good.
Push button entrance. Captain's chairs.
Oh, okay.
See
What
how
I
it feels.
can't turn off is
Also, I'll go over a little bit. You got
okay.
okay. Now you also have downhill brake control in case you're going down a steep hill. So what do you think of the car overall?
I like it.
Think it's something you can see yourself driving and owning?
Yeah. I think it's a decent size.
Okay. Let me see what I can. Let me print something up the way I make sure I have your correct information. All I have to ask him how I can do that. And you said you were going to be co-signing.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have your driver's license on you as well?
I didn't know it had Capcut. So we'll change. I mean, I did look at the picture, but not fully like that. I just know it was the car that I. Well, that's why.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, I didn't want to butcher it.
Because everybody always said Mika.
Yeah.
Mika,
Or
I was gonna say
Micaiah.
Micah?
Yeah.
That's what it is, Micah.
That's-
Yeah, so I was
exactly.
gonna say that, Micah.
I always get Micah or Micaiah. Yeah.
Where's the mud?
Exactly. Exactly.
Card, baby, that card.
Yes.
Ladies, they taking good care of you?
Yes.
I'm Paul, I'm the customer satisfaction manager.
Hi.
Oh, okay.
Victoria's been doing really bad lately, so I'm gonna have to make sure to follow up on her.
Hey guys. So we are in my new car. We are currently getting ready to head out. But definitely gotta go get it looked at on Monday. Yeah, y'all see that? Why is the engine light already on? I don't like that. I'm already going up there Monday to get one of my fog lights fixed. Now I gotta get the engine light fixed. And my USB ports don't work, except only 2 of them. I don't know about the ones in the back because I have 3. It's a 3-seater, so there are charger ports in the back. I don't know if those work. I'm never gonna sit back there to know if they work. So, yeah, but car is fine. I'm just not used to driving a big SUV like this. Did not think it was as big as I thought it was. You know, I was just very hyped when I was looking at it during the daytime. But now that I actually got it, it is huge. And especially for little old me and my man. So, we'll see how this goes. I'm definitely going to add clips of the car. Just of the outside. So you guys to see what it looks like. I'll give a car tour a little later. Because I know this video is long. So, if you're returning, thank you for watching. I love you so much. Thank you for being here. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. Stick around for a while. I'm fun. I'm funny. At least I think I am. You know, it's a great time. It's a great time. So, join the family. Subscribe. But, I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in another video. My shadow. Well, they can park somewhere else. Sorry. Hey y'all, good morning. Today is Monday the 13th. It is 9:34 a.m. and we are on the way to the dealership to talk to them about what's going on with the car. If y'all seen the last video about me getting the car, y'all will see that the second day I got it, the engine light came on and I had a bunch of lights that wasn't properly working. So we're on the way. Hopefully it don't take all day. Hopefully and I'll come back to y'all a little later. Alright, so we're at the gas station. Gonna fill her up for the first time. Praying to God it's not going to have to cost more than what I think it is. But as of right now, we're testing out 20, so let's see. Gas tank is done. Not bad for 20. Almost. So as of right now, we know 20 is good. Hey y'all, so today is Saturday, October. Don't mind how I look. I'm currently actually actively leaving the house. We're heading to the dealership because the new car I got, it's only been a week and it has a bunch of problems. So we're gonna go talk to a man about a car. Try to at least. Come on.
So this is the. All right, so this is the Hyundai Elantra.
Okay.
This one actually, I was wrong. It didn't have 24,000 miles. It had 4,000 miles.
Oh, really? I like the inside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the lane keep assist. So
Okay.
two different things. Lane keep and lane assist. Lane keep is designed so if you go out of your lane, not using your turn signal, it'll kind of nudge you back in.
Okay.
Lane assist is designed, it looks like a little steering wheel.
Mm-hmm.
So it's designed so that if your hands come off the wheel, it's reading the lines on the road, even if the road curves, it keeps you in the center of the lane
Okay.
and makes you stay in that center, and it'll even make the curve for you. So it has remote start on the vehicle, on the key fob.
Okay.
HD radio data. And that works anywhere in,
I like that.
yeah, this gives you the gas stations. You can tell how far, what gas station, what the prices are. And then you can go in and go, oh, well, you know, I'd rather pay $2.39, so you're gonna go to Quick Trip. So if you want to go to Quick Trip, you just hit go, pops it up, there you are, hit route, and it's gonna take you right to that Quick Trip.
So I'm curious, what is this?
So Hyundai, when they designed these, they redesigned these in 21.
Mm-hmm.
They redesigned them in 21. So they've been putting this dash since 22.
Mm-hmm.
Well, when they designed it, they added that, but they've never figured out what they're going to do with it. When designing it, the engineer just put that on there
Mm-hmm.
and thought, you know what, we'll do something with it later
Mm-hmm.
when we come up with something.
Okay.
But they haven't done anything.
Hey guys, so update, I got the car. I got a new car. I got a 2024 Hyundai Elantra SEL.
It's the same color as my truck.
It's so cute.
I love it.
Oh, she's so cute. I told you. Yeah. Guys, I got the car. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy.
Yeah, so you gotta get everything set up for you, because I don't want you to take out driving.
Yeah. Hey y'all, so I just want to come back. It's been a couple of days after the last video y'all saw, but I just want to say thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Going through the process of getting 2 cars is not what I expected, but it's okay. I still ended up with a car that I really, really love, so it works for me. Now the car note, that's a whole different other story, but it's okay. Anyway, I love y'all and I'll see y'all in another video. Bye.